Probably won't be too much longer there now. There we go. We got the yellow light, and I'm watching traffic.
So now it's red.
Looks good. Everyone's slowing down. Perfect. So into the left lane. And you want to pick up your speed, stay ahead of that traffic. We'll make a right lane change. Signal, mirror, blind spot check. Perfect. Yep. At the traffic lights up here, we're making a right turn.
Right there?
Yeah.
Would I signal like?
You can right here, yeah.
Got it.
Because there's no driveways. Yeah. If there were, then you would wait till the last driveway. Okay. Past the last driveway.
Okay. And I want to do a controlled right turn.
Yeah. Solid green.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Get out of the way.
They're not too bad.
Yeah, I was once near my house, like get my mom every morning. So is it a 50 back here?
Here it's 50 everywhere within city limits, unless otherwise posted.
Got it.
But road conditions.
Yeah.
Sometimes you got to slow it down. Most of the roads you could go somewhere between 40 and 50 without doing too much damage.
Pick up my speed.
Yeah, that's good. We're going to turn left at the four-way intersection up here.
Sure.
So 4 ways, 4 stop signs. And right about here, timing on the signal, yeah. There's your line.
Just windshield here.
Yep. Kickback. 1,
1,
2,
2.
and off we go.
Look at that.
So we're just going into the Cambrian College campus there because I'm going to do a little braking exercise with you.
Sure.
With the speed bumps, just to get you used to the pressure you need to apply to the brake. So it's going to be a right turn.
Signal now?
Yeah. Slowing down nicely, and then you look way up the road and come out of the curve, you hit the gas basically. Just bring the speed up to 40.
Got it. I don't know how like the accelerate, I don't know how fast they're looking. Like would you say like, I'm not sure.
Here you could go 40. It's not too bad.
When you're accelerating though, like...
Oh, I like okay, I'll show you. So here, the first speed bump, you can start slowing down now.